Hi dear friends, this is the user interface of AutoCAD. So it looks like this. As you can see here, Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. I am using the version 2021. It is called title bar. And here you can see a symbol. It is known as application menu. And you can see here there are different options. Here save and print and some other options are there. This is called quick access toolbar. See here file, edit, view, insert, and this is called menu bar. Each one is called menus. And here you can see home, insert, annotate, those are called tabs or features of AutoCAD. And this is called, there are different tools, line, polyline, circle, and the whole area is known as ribbon. And here you can see draw, modify, annotation, layers like that. So these are known as panels or groups. So you can see here top, 2D, wireframe like that. Those are called view controls. And here you can see the circle like symbol. N for north, E for east, south, west. This is called view cube. And you can see here full navigation wheel, pan, zoom, extends, like the tools are there. So this is called navigation bar. And you can see here a white rectangular box. So this is known as command window or command line. See here there are two axes, X and Y. So it is known as UCS icon, or sometimes we call it as origin. And see here model and display drawing, and those commands are there. And this is known as status bar. And the whole area, there are horizontal and vertical lines, and the whole area is known as graphical area or user interface of, you can see this plus symbol, it is known as cursor. So this is all about the introduction of AutoCAD, and let us go with some features or advantages of AutoCAD. Why we are using AutoCAD? So what are the major advantages of AutoCAD? Let us see. So firstly, AutoCAD is abbreviated as Automated Computer Aided Design. So auto for automated, C for computer, A for aided, D for design. So we can create drawings by automatically giving commands in this AutoCAD. So this was developed by the company Autodesk in the year 1982 by the person called John Walker. So this person, John Walker, developed this AutoCAD in the year 1982. And this software was used by mechanical engineers to draw machine components. And this software is also used by electrical engineers to draw the layouts of power distribution systems and circuit diagrams. And mostly it is used in the field of civil engineering to draw building plans and their layouts. And see the sixth one. So we used in our college days to draw complicated or non-complicated drawings by using drafters, protractors, pro circles, compasses, etc., which consumes our time more and more. By using those equipments and to draw a small diagram also, it will take much time. So to avoid that, we use AutoCAD. See here, instead of using all the above said equipments, within short span of time we can create drawings. Any complicated drawings we can create, and it is the most precious advantage of AutoCAD. And see here, after creating our drawings, we can transport those drawings from one place to another place by copying it to some electronic devices like pen drives, mobile phones, etc. And the ninth feature here is, so AutoCAD is mostly preferred to draw two-dimensional drawings, but not for three-dimensional drawings. It is most popularly preferred to draw two-dimensional. There is a difficulty in drawing three-dimensional drawings, so that it is not much used to draw three-dimensional drawings. See here, and the last point we have, before developing AutoCAD, there are some of the designing softwares like MS Paint, Photoshop, MS Office, PageMaker, etc. So, but those softwares does not have enough tools to draw the drawings. So that afterwards AutoCAD was developed, and AutoCAD is the most popularly used designing software. So I am going to teach you proper manner. So you need to follow this manner to follow each and every command. So there are different types of commands in AutoCAD, and in AutoCAD there are 2D and 3D separately. So firstly I am going to teach you about 2D commands. So there are 2D commands and there are different types of 2D commands. And first one is, second one is modify or editing commands, third one display commands, fourth one transparent commands, fifth one inquiry commands, sixth one advanced commands, seventh one text commands, eighth one dimensional commands, ninth one layers, block and W block, 10 functional keys, 11 control keys or shortcuts, 12 other leftover commands I will teach you, and the coordinate systems used in AutoCAD and how many coordinate systems are there, and what is the use of those coordinate systems I will teach you, and the selection methods, how to select a diagram, how to select and how to delete those diagrams by selecting. So I will teach you about the selection methods and the practice drawings on 2D. After completing every command, then we will go for practice drawings on 2D. After 2D drawings, we will create some 2D isometric drawings also, and then we will go for 3D commands. And before going to 3D commands, how to switch the workspace from 2D to 3D I will teach you, and what is the main difference between 2D and 3D I will explain you what are the commands used in 3D. And after completing every command, then we will go for practice drawings on 3D. And most used surface commands also I will teach you. So these are the surface commands. Some of the surface commands also are there but not in use, but most of the people doesn't know and doesn't use those commands. And lastly, most frequently asked interview questions from this AutoCAD, and I will teach you.